How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, launch your YouTube application and then tap on the Use section from your bottom right corner. As you do so, you will see a settings icon on your top right hand side. Tap onto it. Under here at this page, under Account, you will see Your Data in YouTube. Tap it. It will open up a page like this. Under YouTube Controls, you will see YouTube Watch History. Here tap on Manage your YouTube Watch History. Then under here, you will see all of the history. You have to tap on Interactions tab on your right hand side. And under Video Interactions, tap on Video Likes and Dislikes. As it is so, you will see all the videos that you have liked till now. You will see them by date. For instance, if you have liked a video on 2nd September, you will see it right here. If you have liked multiple videos on 2nd September, it will be listed down as well. All you have to do is tap on this wrong icon, then it will delete it. Just like so, you have to continue tapping on it and it will delete all of it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.